Well, I never thought I'd have to say this, but my X1Cs have failed me. So I designed this file to protect the saw blades for my table saw. This is the female side. There was a male side also, but it is just barely too large for my X1C's bed. I don't know if you can see that, but it is 257 millimeters across. And of course the bed on the X1C is 256 at most. And really that's kind of being generous. So I did the logical thing. Came in, cut my piece in half here. Just a nice split it in half. Perform cuts. Don't worry about that. And I actually, on the original, I actually did some connectors and all that. So I bring the two parts in, which actually, let's just go to my other one here. So here it is, originally how I cut it. There's the connectors over there. Two pieces on there, look real nice. And preview, got my supports. Everything looks great, no worries. I got some brim on there to hold it in place, got my supports, everything works out great. So I print it. Everything looks like it's going great, just going fine. No errors. This time, the first couple of times I tried it were a nightmare. And then 8.5 hours later, here it is. But it seems to be a problem. Oh no. It's all nice and together down here. And it doesn't go together up there. And I can put it together up here. Then it comes apart down here. So I think for the first time I've made a file that I'm not going to be able to use on my X1C because it's too small. Even when I split it, it does something crazy, won't let it go back together, and that just ain't gonna work. So I guess unless I get a printer with a bigger bed like the H2C or something, then this one just goes into the save pile.